This is above the condensate line, I think, by the furnace. It's wet and dripping as well. And I usually run a dehumidifier under this all the time since it has not been addressed by the landlord. There's always water on the floor. This is by the furnace that was installed while I was out of the country. This was installed while you waited for me to get out of the country. Here's the CCB number on the service, but I don't think they actually installed it. I think it was one of Renata's humans. This is not right either. They have a different sized ducting on there. Doesn't work very well.